Hello guys, once again welcome back to Technical Anand. Today we'll study the semester paper of biology which is released by ICSE 10th. Okay, it's of semester 1. The maximum marks is 40. The time allotted is 1 hour and all questions are compulsory. Okay, the marks intended are given in the bracket like this. Here it is 5 given now like that. Select the option from each of the following questions. Section 1, 15 marks. Section 1 is of 15 marks. So let's start. Question number 1. Name the following by choosing the correct option. A. A pair of corresponding chromosome of a same shape and size but one from each parents. So answer is homologous because it has same shape and size and same genes are located at same location of both the uh, of each which are from each parents. Okay, so answer is option 3, chromosome, homologous chromosome. B, factor that does not affect the rate of transpiration. A, intensity of light. B, velocity of winds. C, carbon dioxide. D, oxygen. So answer is oxygen because intensity of sunlight will uh, increase the rate of transpiration. Velocity will also increase because the water vapor will be released move faster. Okay, and carbon dioxide will also increase, but oxygen does not affect. Okay, carbon dioxide will affect by uh, if the carbon dioxide is more, the rate of transpiration is more because carbon dioxide will open stomata, so water vapor will be released from stomata. Okay, C, movement of molecules of substance from their higher concentration to the lower concentration when they are in direct contact. A, diffusion. B, endosmosis. C, imbibition. D, active transport. Okay, so answer is A, diffusion because they are moving the because the molecule move from higher to lower concentration with the direct contact. Okay, now D, the complex molecules constituting of DNA strand and a core of histone protein. Okay, so A, centrosome. B, nucleotide. C, nucleosome. D, chromosome. Okay, so A will definitely is not because centrosome is the it is only in animal which helps in cell division. B, nucleotide because nucleotide it is also known because nucleotide have phosphate, pentose sugar and nitrogen bases. Okay, so answer is option 3, nucleosome. E, the solvent used to dissolve the chlorophyll pigment while testing a leaf from starch. A, soda lime. B, carbolic acid. C, methylate spirit. D, water. So answer is 3, methylate spirit because it has alcohol. Okay, so it will dissolve the chlorophyll pigment. Now question number 2. Question number 1 have total 5 questions. Okay, now question number 2 we have to fill in the blanks with the correct option. Okay, complete the following question number 2, complete the following statement by choosing the appropriate option for each blank. A, during meiosis 4 daughter cells are formed. Okay, during meiosis 4 daughter cells are formed because meiosis will the chromosome number are halved, so it will form 4. In mitosis it is formed 2. Okay, B, wooden doors swollen up during the rainy season due to imbibition. Okay, osmosis is movement of water molecule from higher to lower with semi-permeable membrane. Okay, diffusion is movement of molecule from higher to lower in the when they are in direct contact. Imbibition means surface water is get into the surface attraction, so they will attract to the door. Okay, and in rainy season the moist is more in the air. Okay, C, the semi-permeable membrane in plant cell is cell membrane. Okay, because cell wall is freely permeable, cell membrane is semi-permeable. Okay, D. Guttation takes place to hydrathodes because stomata is on the surface of the leaves. Lenticell is on the old woods. Okay. Cuticell is on the leaves surface of the leaves, which is a waxy coating, and hydrathodes is the edges of the leaves. Okay. A plant a plant with varied leaves is coleus. Okay. Coleus is the answer. Question number 3. So in this question number 2 has also 5 questions. Now question number 3. Choose the correct answer from each of the 4 options given below. A. The pressure exerted by the cell content on the cell wall is Turger pressure. Okay. B. The cell component visible only during the cell division is chromosome, chromoplast, chromatin or centriole. Okay. uh, chro- Chromosome is the answer because chromatin fiber will condense to form chromosome. Okay. Chromoplast is not the answer. Chromatin is always seen in the cell. Okay. Marine fish when placed under tap water burst because of endosmosis, exosmosis, diffusion, plasmolysis. So answer is endosmosis because the marine fish will have more cell content, more salt content in their cell. Okay, marine fish will have more salt content in their cell, so water will do endosmosis. Okay. D. The sites of dark reaction of photosynthesis is A. Grana, B. Fert, C. Frit, C. Stroma, D. Stoma. Okay, so answer is stroma. E. The alternative form of gene occupying the same position on the homologous chromosome. So answer is alleles. Okay, because we have studied now that homologous chromosome will have same gene at same location. So allele is the alternative forms of location. Means allele means color of the hair is gene. Then black is black, brown, blue, white. That is the allele of that gene. Okay. So section is of total 15 marks and it has question number 1 of 5 question number 2 of 5 mark and 5 question number 3 of 5 mark and 5 question. Section 2 15 marks. This also. Question number 4. Explain the following terms. A. Osmosis. So we have to explain the osmosis. 4 options are given. So let's see. Option 1, movement of water from the lower. It is not the answer. Movement of solutes from the lower. It is also not the answer. Movement of water from the higher concentration to the lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. This is the answer. Answer 4th is not there because it has freely permeable. Okay, option 4 is wrong because it has freely permeable in the option. Okay, in the sentence. So option C is correct. Photolysis. First, splitting of water molecules into hydrogen ions and oxygen in the presence of light in grana. Okay, so this is the correct option. C. Law of segregation. The two chromosomes of a pair of the two members of the pair of factor joining due the formation of gametes. Wrong. The two members of a pair of factors separate during the formation of gametes. Wrong. C. The two chromosome of pair of factors separate during the formation of gametes. Right. This is the right answer. Guttation. D. Guttation. The loss of water in the form of water droplets from the surface of the leaves. So this is wrong because in surface of the leaf it is given. Okay, the loss of water in the form of water droplets through the stomata. Wrong. Okay, the loss of water in the form of water vapor along the leaf margin. Fourth, this is also wrong. Third, the here it is loss. It is printing mistake. Fourth, the loss of water in the form of water vapors along the leaf margin. So this is true answer. Okay, fourth option is true. E. Active transport. Passage of water in its passage of water. It's wrong. Passage of ions from its lower to higher concentration through a cell membrane without any expenditure of energy. Wrong. Passage of water, wrong. Passage of ions from its lower to higher concentration through a cell membrane using energy from the cell. So this is the correct option. Now question number 5, state the exact location of the following. A. Spindle fiber. Between the two centrioles, between the two centrosome, between chromatid and centromere, between two centromeres. So answer is 1, between two centrioles, because it is formed by the centrioles and it attach the centrosome. Okay, no, it attracts the centromere of the chromosome. Okay, so answer is A, between the two centrioles. B, root hair. Extension of cortex, extension of epithelium, extension of epidermis, extension of endodermis. So answer is C, extension of epidermis. C, stomata. First, more the surface, more upper on the dorsally ventral leaves, more on the surface of the more on the lower surface of the dorsally ventral leaves, both upper and lower surface of the dorsally ventral leaves, none of above. So answer is more on the lower surface of the dorsally ventral leaves. Dorsally ventral leaves, because the upper surface of the leaf will have low stomata than the lower, because more the stomata are present on the lower side, because to reduce the rate of transpiration, means to reduce the flow of water vapor. Okay. D, thylakoids. In the inner membrane of the chloroplast, no. Wall of the chloroplast, no. In the chlorophyll, no. In the stroma of the chlorophyll, yes. Pellicid parenchyma. Between the upper and the lower epidermis of the dicot leaves, between the upper epidermis and spongy parenchyma of the dicot leaves. So B is correct. Okay. Now question number 6, state the function of the following. You have to state the function. A, stroma. So answer is site of light independent phase of the photosynthesis. Okay. B, guard cell, regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Okay, if the guard cell is turgid, the stomata will open. If the guard cell is flaccid or shrunken, the stomata will close. Okay. C, xylem. The function of the xylem is conduction of water minerals from the root to other parts of the plant. Okay. D, chromosomes, to carry the carriers of hereditary. Okay, this is the carriers of hereditary. Hydathoid helps in transpiration, helps in guttation, helps in imbibition, helps in transportation of water. So answer is guttation. Okay, now section 2 also have section 2 also have 3 questions of 5 marks each. So we have solved total 30 marks of question. Okay. Section 3, 10 marks. Question number 7, given below is the diagrammatic representation of stage during mitotic cell division. Answer the questions that follow. Okay, so this is the diagram, you can see. Okay, so identify the stage: telophase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase. So answer is prophase, because in metaphase the chromosome align at the equator or the axis. Okay, they align at the equatorial plane of the cell. Okay, in anaphase the spindle fiber is attached to the centromere and they will be attached from the spindle fibers. Okay, and in telophase is opposite of prophase. Telophase will have the nuclear membrane will reappear, the chromosome will condense to form chromatin fibers. So in this, answer is prophase, because spindle fibers are getting ready. Okay, and the chromosome are not aligned at the equator. Okay. Okay. Label the part marked X. So here this is the part X. Okay, so it is first centriole, centrosome, centromere, or chromatid. So it is second and fourth option are definitely wrong. First option is also wrong. Option 3 is correct because chromosome are attached, because two chromatids are attached with the centromere. Okay, they are attached with the centromere. Name the state that follows the one shown here. Okay, we have to tell the stage which is after the prophase, after the stage you have marked here. Okay, so it is metaphase, because after prophase metaphase will come na, the chromosome will align at the equatorial plane of the cell. Okay, what is the diploid number of chromosomes shown in the diagram? 6248. Now let's see, there are 4 chromosomes, so it will be 4. Option 3 is correct because uh, they will, because in question it is written the stage during mitotic cell division, and in mitosis the chromosome will have the chromosome will be diploid. Okay, means they will have 46 chromosome. Okay, they will have 2n. So in this all are 2n, means 4 chromosome will have, so all 4 are diploid na, so that's why option C is correct. 3. Mention one important feature of this stage. Nucleolus reappears, it is of telophase. Nuclear membrane reappears, it is also of telophase. Nuclear membrane disappears, it is of prophase. And chromosome align on the equator, it is of metaphase. So answer C is correct. Okay, now question number 8, I think it is the last question. Yes, observe the diagram given below and answer the question. Identify the cell organelle. This is the cell organelle. You have to identify mitochondria, lysosome, ribosome, chloroplast. So answer is chloroplast. Okay, label the part marked A, B, C. So you have to part mark the A, B, C. So A, B, C. So A is stroma, B is granum, and C is thylakoid. Okay, now the unit of light absorbed by the chlorophyll is, this is the chlorophyll. We have to identify the unit of light absorbed by the chlorophyll. Okay, so answer is C, B, photon. Okay, so we have completed the paper. So section 3, 10 marks we have completed. It has 2 questions of 5 marks each. So first in that it has sub question now, 1 2 3 4 5, all 5 questions we have marked. In these also 5 questions. Okay, so section 1 have 5 question of 15 marks. Section 1 have 5 question of 15 marks. Wait a minute. Section 1 have 3 question. 3 question with 5 question in, with 5 sub question in that. Means question number 1 will have 5 question. Question number 2 5 question. Question number 3 5 question. Means total 15 marks. Okay, section 2 is also the same, but is the in this the we have to identify the location, the terms given, means definition, function, like that in section 2. Okay, so in that it has question number 4, question number 5, question number 6. Mean in that it is also have 3 question in them, 5 question in them. Okay, else section 3 10 marks, means question number 5, question number 1 of 5 question, question number 2 of 5 question. Okay, and this is a diagram based, means structure diagram, like that it will come. Okay, so we have solved the ICSE semester 1 examination specimen question paper of biology successfully. Okay, so let me know in the comment how was the paper. It was easy for you or hard. Okay, so till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.